Hi everyone. I have a vector character and a PNG image. How can I add a shadow effect to them? I'll start by applying it to the vector character. Select and go to the Edit menu, and copy. Then paste it in front. Open the Pathfinder panel, and click on the Unite button. Then apply this gray color to it. Right-click on it, Arrange, and Send to Back. Go to the Effect menu, Distort and Transform, and Free Distort. Pick the point and drag it down. And hit OK. Select and go to the Object menu, Expand Appearance. Our shadow is ready. You can keep it as it is or apply the gradient to it. Follow these gradient settings. Now it's time to apply it to a PNG image. Make a copy of it. Then go to the Trace options, and click on Silhouette. Click on this icon to open the further settings. And set the threshold to 254. Click on the Expand button. Open the Pathfinder panel, click on Divide, and then Unite to fill the gaps. Here I use the pencil tool to complete it. Apply the gray color to it. Repeat the process. Use the free transform tool to adjust it a bit. And that's it. If you have any question, please ask in the comments section. Thank you for watching.